After meeting top political leaders from Jammu and Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said delimitation has to happen at a quick pace. But what delimitation really is? I'm Arun Singh. I try to explain in next 2 to 3 minutes. We'll also touch upon why is it controversial in Jammu and Kashmir and what has been the political response so far. Let's begin with what is delimitation. So delimitation is essentially a revision of demarcation of constituencies. Now, the Constitution of India says the ratio between the population of a state and the number of seats allotted to it has to be same throughout the state as far as practicable. So this is absolutely dependent on population, and population keeps on changing. Hence, delimitation is a regular practice. A delimitation commission does this job and MPs of the state are associate members of it. But this commission is an independent body and no executive or political party can interfere in its functioning. Now let's talk about delimitation and Jammu and Kashmir. So in Jammu and Kashmir, the Lok Sabha delimitation was done under the Constitution of India, but Assembly delimitation was done under their separate constitution. But now the state does not enjoy that special status. Hence, a fresh delimitation commission was formed last year and delimitation will be done under the Constitution of India only. But why is it controversial in Jammu and Kashmir, and what has been the political response so far? One bit of the controversy arises from the political response. So as I said, MPs of the state are associate members of the Delimitation Commission. Delimitation Commission was to meet in February 2021 and 5 MPs were to attend this meeting. Only 2 did, and these were from BJP. And rest of the 3 skipped this meeting, stating that Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act of 2019 was palpably unconstitutional until the time the Supreme Court decides the constitutional validity of this law. No decisions emanating from the act should be implemented. And these MPs were National Conference MPs, Farooq Abdullah, Muhammad Akbar Lone and Hasnain Masoodi. So that's one set of the controversy. But another set is that one group, or rather few groups in Jammu fear that because this exercise is based on population, on census, Kashmir has more population, then Kashmir would have more seats allotted to it. Another group in Kashmir, because they've had this kind of experience in past, fear that despite Jammu has lesser population, Jammu will be given more seats, because in 1995 there was a certain number of seats jump that was given to the constituencies, and Jammu was allotted a jump of 5 seats as compared to 4 in Kashmir, despite Jammu having lesser population. So that is another bit of the controversy. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that delimitation has to happen at a quicker pace because elections are due in Jammu and Kashmir since 2018 when the BJP withdrew support from the Mehbooba Mufti led government. That's all I had for this video. I'm Arun Singh. It's a goodbye from my side.